Today I'm going to help you with Recital hair. Step 1. Gather supplies. I use a bun maker to make it easier. Step 2. Begin with the center part. Step 3. Pull back hair into a low pony. Next, place the bun maker on the ponytail. Then, smooth hair around the bun maker and attach with hair tie. Finally, twist hair and secure with bobby pins and an optional hairnet. Once you are ready, you can spray with your favorite hairspray to secure all of the flyaways. If you are interested, you can stop by the office to purchase your own bun making kit. Have fun at Recital!